This shit right here for all my pimp niggas, man. You know what I'm saying? I'ma take this shit back for you niggas, man. You know what I mean? This Young Hirsch, man. You dig? Maplewood Mafia, man. Hillside E-Dub, man. Get it straight. Been in this game for years, since I was just a knucklehead. There's rules to this shit, just like my pops and mother said. If you gon' pimp, then it's up for you to get them hoes on track, get your dough by stacks. Rule number uno, find you a young fresh snow hoe, photos, cause you know, on the stroll, them tricks will be quick to see Tiffany, and if she fast and slick, hit your ass a lick. Number 2, hurry up and knock you a crew. Don't you know young pimps have a team of them, 3 of them, take it from the king of them. I done seen mad niggas bag up jumps cause all they had was one. Number 3, never trust nobody. That hoe will leave that ass quick, take all of the cash dip, she won't even pack shit. For a fast pimp, she'll be somewhere across the country, getting his ass rich. Number 4, I know you heard this before. If she talk fly, sock her right in the eye. Number 5, never let her go with no Negro. I don't care if they got the dough, tell them no. Number 6, that mud duck fetish, dead it. You think a black bitch getting you rich, pimp, forget it. Number 7, this rule is highly underrated. Keep your family and your bitches completely separated. Family and them hoes don't mix like cocaine and dro sticks. Find yourself without no bitch. Number 8, never keep no drugs on you. Those pussy hoes you sell can hold bud too. Number 9 should have been number 1 to me. If she ain't getting money, keep her far from your sheets. Them hoes think you dipping, they ain't trying to listen. A square bitch will have them tripping, running off with some pippin'. Number 10, small word called grinding. All the time when pimps are riding. If they ain't got the clientele, I won't get no dough, and I'm gonna need my money, rain, sleet, hail, snow. Follow these rules, you'll have mad hoes to break on. If not, get you a twat to put your face on. A pimp knocked your girlfriend, watch you put your cape on. If you a player, why you hate strong? Oh, you mad? Your girl chose my man Tavon. Hurt in 3 weeks, she put him on like he was Trey Song. Now he 3 deep, nigga got more dough than save on. Gotta go, more hoes to break on. 1